Yeah man guys, you know we're there upon it again though. Yeah man. Today we have cook some kidney and plain rice, you know guys. Easy, quick match up. You see me? So as I go along, I show you what I go on, yeah? Yeah man, some kidney and rice upon the menu today, you know? Yeah man, so that you know. Yeah man, so we have a kidney as already guys. We'll get in our water upon it. Yeah man. You know? Cut it up to how we want it. Season it up and get it on fire. You know that go. So catch you not doing that, you know. Yeah man. Yeah man, so I get in more water in my container, you know. Yeah man. Yeah man, so I get in more water. Yeah man, so I get in more water in my container. Then I have my season them. I'm going to utilize today now. Yeah man. I'm just put them in some water. Wash them off. Yeah man. Scallion the guys. And in the time, get them clean up, you know. Sweet pepper, hot pepper, garlic. Yeah man, that's right. Yeah. So I get cracking, you know. Because I have a session today with Aisha Bell and a brother there want to buy 245, you know. Yeah man, so I just make you get out them thing out of the way. Yeah. Clean up this guys. Yeah man, so clean up this guys. Liver, you know? No, kidney, sorry. Yeah man. Yeah man, so I done cut up the meat and yeah man, so I done cut up the meat and I season it up guys. Get back on track, yeah? Yeah man, it's a quick mission today in the car. Kind of caught up both ways. You know, the cooking and we have a session with Aisha Bell to do some harmony on a song for Black Shepherd. And also, me have a bridging here want to do a 45, 245. Yeah, so the studio active today, you know. But I don't know, say, I have to mash up this quick and fast because I did start this, not knowing them are forward, you know. So yeah man, so that is it. Catch you know when the meat are seasoned. Alright, cool. No, kidney. Yeah, we keep on. Yeah man guys, this is it, you know. Kidney well cut up and ready, you know. Well cut up and ready, you know the kidney. It we all look about today though. Yeah man. So
yes guys, Liverpool with dinner.
So the vegetable them we are clean up now though. Yeah man, cut up a vegetable, you know. Chew on, you know.
But the man I cut up them something my lad.
Yeah, I did. Yeah. Yeah. May I hear you, man?
Oh yeah,
Where you say? Oh, you pay for get subscriber. Me know say you can boost your channel. Me know you can pay for boost your channel to make it reach a whole heap of people. Google AdSense. Google. You use Google AdSense. Yeah, Google have to do it. You name Google AdSense. You name Google AdSense. Google AdSense. Yeah, man.
Can I get the glue? This one's getting worse. Nice one.
Boy, job and see my get big man, the man I grew up.
Side for go, man.
Man,
When you eat good food, that's how it go, you know.
into the cat and food and my eye.
When you eat good food, that's how it go, you know. Hey, man, I do this.
Yeah, I want my mother that. We got them out walking on the stone and go shopping. Why?
They say please foul. I'm too good, man.
Yeah, them man are the glad in our computer like this, you know. The boss. Mother snake. Yeah. Yeah, good. Man. Yeah. Them know that the general in the company doing that thing and then man I run the company with them.
Yeah, fam.
I'm there when I go on use the car, so them thing one, do I do some right now, put in the work. So the work I get bad enough. Yeah.
One butter kiss or two peanut butter sandwich. Go for the brown in the fridge, you know, and like in the kitchen. No, we see them wash up already in the gardens. Don't know some kidney and plain rice today, you know. Now I cut up the seeds of them. Well nice. No. After I throw in, couple minutes, go and simmer down. Don't know, you add my carrot and my Irish, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, and go and big up in a Mickey and stretch. Yeah, man, go and big up on the damn self, though. Don't know the thing, go. Nick Nice, J.A. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. Blue Mountain Kitchen. Big up, you know. I forgot to make a list. Because I don't remember everybody, you know. Yeah, man. Father and son, big up. Don't know, respect, you know. Just go and big up on yourself and go and check in, though. Yeah, man. You see that, guys? Meat of a well seasoned, you know. No joke about that. Yeah, man, that's for my rice. No, there's too much for my rice. How about Mexico one? No. Yeah, man. This good, you know. Alright. Still feel like one put a piece more skeleton in there, man. So first, I'm going to put in the seasoning. Yeah, man. Now use too much of this, you know. You're not going to use no whole heap for the jerk neither, but you're going to use most of the all-purpose. Yeah. Alright, so we just going to use a pinch of the jerk. Yeah, man.
Can buy a few things in the pot, isn't it? Just get sent out a shop. You want to see it, get few things in the pot, and I got head up. So catch you on the reach. I'm out.
Yeah, man, so I'm going to put on my rice here, so I'm going to season it up, you know, guys. Yeah, man, so you season them, I prepare them for training the rice pot, you know, so I cut them up, you know, wash them up, throw them in. Normally I measure 1 inch, guys, and that normally give me rice a shelly, wonderful cook, you know, nice, no wet, not too dry, just right in between. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, so these are the onions. Throw in my butter, half stick of butter, and little coconut oil. And I'll put in my salt, you know. Hello? Yeah. Augustown, Vietnam. Huh? No, Vietnam. African Garden.
Alright. Vietnam. Alright, cool. Just 2 weeks, about 10 minutes or so.
Okay.
Alright, so come to me, come on the front.
Alright. Alright guys. Put in the salt, you know. That's it.
Alright, got.
Yeah man.
Talk, do Freed. Just talk.
Alright, guys. The Robinson Family TV boss get a little busy, so I have to finish up for him. So I'm gonna sort out the meat, right? I'm a little bit shy still, but I'm gonna do it. I can do this. So okay, I'm gonna clean up this carrot because it should cut up this on the kidney and it didn't, so I'm gonna put it on it. Guys, I'm shy about the camera, so don't I'm just gonna cut up this on the kidney because it didn't cut it up on it, so I'm just gonna cut it up. Just put a piece of this one in it. I'm gonna use all of this, so I can just cut off the He's in the studio right now, so I have to just finish up this for him. But I don't want to show my face because I'm camera shy, guys. Maybe in due time you will see me. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna throw the oil. Let this rest right here. I'm gonna throw the oil in the pot. It go hot. Hold on.
I smell the rice aroma.
I guess the rice is supposed to dry now, so I'm gonna just turn on the stove. Okay guys, this is it. So no garlic. Where's the garlic?
Cut it to the net.
Everything?
So,
Okay guys, I'm just gonna burn these 2 garlic peg before I throw in the meat. Okay,
in our session. Yeah, they're gonna have the fire.
alright, so I'm just gonna burn this garlic and then throw in the meat. Okay, so I'm gonna throw the garlic. So I'm gonna get in the kidney now. So I'm just gonna cover this and let it go and simmer down, right? So I'm just gonna cover it and let it simmer. And I'm gonna check on the rice. So this is the rice, guys. Well, we use scallion in the rice because we like giving our rice a little flavor. So we use scallion and onion in the rice, yeah? So I'm just gonna let this to finish steam. I'm gonna let it finish steam out. Yep.
Does everybody love the video? Everybody love the video? It's not no pause, nothing. The purpose about
Alright, I'm just gonna clean up the area now because I like when I'm doing something, roast food, I like when the area is clean. So I don't like, so I'm just gonna clean it up.
So yeah, cut up the Irish or not yet?
Yes, I'm just gonna cut up the Irish and in the meat pot. Okay, and let it go and stay until it is ready for it. The patty is ready for it. Yes, guys, I'm already smelling the kidney. Yes. So I'm just gonna wash off the Irish. I'm just gonna cut it in the meat pot that I just threw out. Yes, guys, please go over to D Robinson Family TV, like, share, and subscribe. Looking lovely, looking lovely, and I'm smelling the kidney, guys. Yep, that is it. So cover it. So guys, that is it for now.
You see, I'm out.
So back at it again, guys. Wow. So I'm just gonna get in the Irish potatoes. I'm going to tip a little water in it. Yep. I'm just gonna left this now again. Left the Irish to cook, right? And check on the rice again. This is it, guys. This is it. As we said before, we use scallion and onion to flavor the rice. We like to put them in rice because it gives the rice flavor. The rice is ready, so I'm just gonna let it stay because I turned on the stove. So keep it warm or keep it hot. Yep, this is it. Ready. So we're just waiting on the meat kind. Yep. Irish cook. You know that is gonna be it, right?
They are upon it, you know.
Top loving. Not nothing. Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
Alright.
Oh my gosh.
Great Aisha Bell in the studio put in some harmony, you know. Yeah, man, man.
Not nothing. Oh my gosh. Love you. You listen to that.
Okay.
Not nothing. Oh my gosh. Love you. Stand up. With my love.
Yeah, man, that is it, you know. Check in.
So guys, alright, so this is it now guys. Yep. Yeah guys, I put a little ketchup in it, but I never did vlog that part there, so I just telling you now that I put some ketchup in it. So this is it guys. Back off the stove now. And then share. Peace out. Alright guys, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to The Robinson Family TV. Mickey and Stretch. We're there watching up too. But you don't know. Yeah? Follow Smith TV said we are. Alright then. Rice ready. Long time still, but you know, just eat a little. So we're gonna share now guys. Yeah, this is it. Alright guys, so like I'll first one them now and then get to the sharing. Alright guys, sharing time. These are the kids' one, guys. Yep.
Oh, so much food gone at our pot already. share mine for me. I'm hungry a beat.
Guys, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the Family Robinson TV. Come here. Come. Oh. TK?
Ma.
Come. Yes, guys. Yeah, guys, this is it. Please to like, share, and subscribe to the Robinson Family TV. Yes. Mickey and Stretch, big up yourself. Yeah. You don't know.
Yeah man guys. Don't know if food ready, you know. So me I eat it. Yeah man, tastes good. But I don't know as the student session come up where me have to run into the studio, you know. Yeah man, and take some backing track for Aisha Bell. Yeah man, so that is it, you know. Put it over there, so. Play it here, so. Play it here, so. So you don't know the thing though. Up and running. Please do remember to like, share, and subscribe to the Robinson Family TV. Yeah man. So I don't know, big up on yourself, manners, respect. There in the studio I put in some work. You know.
Yeah, guys. So yeah, subscribe, like, share, and comment. You see, the food did bad. Daddy trying to use this in the worst way come look so.